Good morning. My name is Minh. Recently you sold my dad a second-hand car, and the contract said if there were any problems with it within 90 days, you would fix those problems for free.
Yes, that's right.
Well, I was driving to uni this morning and I suddenly heard this weird clunking sound from underneath the car. At first I thought maybe I had run over something, although honestly I didn't see anything on the road. Anyway, it got worse, and so I pulled straight over. It turns out the transmission on the car is badly damaged and needs to be replaced.
Sure, the registration is LWHD. Yes, that's right. Sure, I understand that the name on the contract is Kang Trang. He is my father. He bought the car for me. I have a copy of the contract here, and it clearly says on the contract that he was purchasing the car on my behalf, as my agent.
Well, I understand that your policy is that the warranty has to be claimed by the person who bought the car. What I'm trying to tell you is that the person who bought the car was me. Dad was the one standing in your car yard, but he is there as my agent. The things that he was doing, in a legal sense, I was doing.
No, not a secret agent, just a normal agent. No, he didn't have a secret recording device or an umbrella that shoots poison darts. I keep telling you, he was my agent, not a secret agent. Honestly, I think you need to go get some advice about this. Because here's the situation. You sold me a car. My name's on the contract. I'm the buyer. I'm now claiming under the warranty because the transmission works about as well as a fly screen door on a submarine.
Well, have it your way, but you'll be getting a letter from my lawyer.